Now we will discuss the new topic, relational operators. So hi friends, this is Parag. I hope you all are doing well. Now we are discussing the second part of the operators. In this we will discuss the relational operators. So what are the relational operators? Let's start. See here. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. In print statement we have given A is greater than B is A comma A greater than B. Let's first discuss this line of code. What is given in this line? See, I will explain. Here we have given the print statement. Though we have covered the basics, I am explaining bit slowly because some people joining newly every day. For those also, in the starting lecture we will discuss some basic things again and again. As we know, the syntax of the print statement is we give this print statement and give these two curved brackets, which is known as parenthesis. Okay, so in this parenthesis we define something and we print that as any statement. Suppose we have given hello world last time, right? So it is giving us this print. Similarly, what we have given here, we have given the description of our this statement. Okay, see, A is greater than B is, this is just description we have given. Now whatever the code actually we are using for running this relational operator, this greater than symbol we are using. See, A greater than B, I am explaining this. Okay, A, see now in this cell. Okay, in this cell, A greater than B. So you can guess what it will return. Tell me. Is false. Why? Because here, see, we have declared the A variable is equal to 10, B variable is equal to 20. So A is, we know 10 is greater than this 20. So how this greater than operator working? Similar to how we solve the mathematical problem in our schooling days. Greater than, less than values, how we are using, similar manner we are using here. Okay, now we will discuss this second row. See, what is this? In a print statement we have A greater than B equal to B. Okay, let me show you this in one more thing. Let me show you. See, A greater than B. If you are confusing, let me clear this. See, nothing but this A greater than B, what will this return? See, false. So similarly here we are mentioning this inside the print statement. Okay, so this print statement we have created here string. See this string, this is the string printed as it is, which is taken from here, and this A is greater than B. See, this A is greater than B is nothing but the result is false here. Okay, similarly, see, A greater than B, result is false here. Don't get confused, huh, guys. Okay, suppose A is, we mentioned the A is lesser than B. So what will happen? Tell me. Yeah, you can guess correctly. A less than B means 10 is less than 20. Okay, because we have assigned the A as 10, B as 20. So what will return? false. Can you see this? A is lesser than B, it returned as the false. Why? See, true. This is false. Are you getting? Suppose we assign another value to A is equal to 50 and B is equal to 100. So A is less than B. What will be the value? We will get the boolean value, and that will be again definitely A is less than B means 50 is less than 100. Yeah, it's true. So it will return as true. Suppose we change the value of A 50 to 500 suppose. So A is here become greater than this B. Okay. So what will the A less than B will return? This time this will return false. See, we got the false result. Okay. Now we will see the statement of wait a moment, greater than equal to less than equal to remaining, right? So greater than equal to, so what will this return? Greater than equal to, see, true. A is greater than equal to B, so definitely 500 is greater than 100, so it's true. Then what will return in the less than statement? False. Okay, nearly in similar manner this code is working. Okay, now we will discuss next operators. In one example, one simple example here, see, we can apply relational operator for string types also. This relational operator we can also use for the string types. So what are the string? We know that if some statement or any word is defined inside the quotation, suppose here A we have defined now Parag as a string. What is the identity of string? When any variable is defined inside the quotations. See, these quotations we have given. Okay, so this is the string. So we define string A, here define string B. In these two string we have mentioned the same name. See, Parag here and Parag here. A is also we have given Parag, B is also we have given Parag. Here we have mentioned A is greater than B. Here we have mentioned A is greater than equal to B. And in this third statement we have given A is less than B. Are you getting? See these statements. We have given these three print statements. Inside three different statements we have defined A is less than greater than B, A is greater than equal to B, and A is less than B. So in these statements what is happening? When we are running this, so these results are coming. Let's run first. Okay, false. A is greater than B is false, means this A is greater than B is false. Why false? Because they are same, not greater or smaller, both are same, so this statement we have getting false. Now when A is greater than equal to B, what is happening in this statement? Greater than equal to B, though these both are the same, not greater or something, so it's becoming the true statements, because here we have mentioned this equality operator. See, equal sign. Yes, because of this equal sign, equal operator, see here, because of this equal operator we got here value true, right? Now next, A is less than B. See, A is less than B. in this statement. This is returning false because string A and B are the similar in length. Now we will do some tweaks, some changes we are performing here, so we will get the clear understanding of this code again. Suppose this is Parag and this is Para James, or Parag James you can call. So in this Parag James string, this is now larger than this we have defined in. Suppose this is A1 is equal to Parag, we will keep, then B1 is equal to this string we keep. Now we will perform this operator again after running this cell. Let's run. Now in next cell we'll perform. See, suppose A1 is greater than B1. Tell me what will this return from this assignment? Definitely we are saying A is greater than B, A1 is greater than B1, but here the A1 is smaller string. See here only 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 5 5 letters are in Parag, and here 9 letters in Paragens, right? So this will obviously give us false because this is the opposite statement. Now let's see false. Suppose A1 is greater than, less than, see, A1 is less than B1 we have given, so it will give us the true because A1 is Parag is smaller than B1, so in Boolean value we will get true. See, then when we will give the equal sign, what will return? Less than equal, it will give us false, sorry, true, right? Because A1 is greater equal B1, it is A1 is smaller equal B1, because this is the smaller, this will give us the true, right? Suppose greater, this will return false. Okay, see.